is the scene here at Molyneux. My name is Derek Ray, positioned here on the commentary gantry, and sitting next to me, ready to give you all the analysis, is Stuart Robson. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers taking on Chelsea.
Well, Derek, as is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
And this is how the hosts will begin the game today.
Well, the two central midfield players will be key today in this 5-2-3 formation. They need to dominate that area to allow their wing-backs to get forward and their front three to demonstrate their quality.
Element of risk there, but he's won the ball. Here's the line-up for Chelsea.
When you see it like that, their central midfield players look a little bit isolated. But I'm expecting the two fullbacks to push up to make it more of a 3-4-3. And I think we'll see a lot of positional rotation in this starting 11.
Pablo Sarabia. Lemina. They've regained possession. Over the touchline for what will be a Wolves throw. Gibson's in the centre. Terrific save. Strong but fair tackle. Oh, great defending. Gallagher. Noni Madueke. He's taken on his opponent here. And credit to him for the recovery. Kilman. Bueno. Nelson Semedo. He's protecting it well. And Chelsea winning the ball again. Malo Gusto. Passing it around, looking for the goal that will put them ahead. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Now sending it in. Well, it was caught nicely in the target.
Well, he knows that was a big chance to take the lead there. They've just got to keep plugging away.
Certainly wasn't a clean tackle, and the referee has got to book it, I think. And he does produce the yellow card.
Yeah, they certainly deserve the yellow. It's a poor challenge, you have to say.
Doing well to keep possession. Well, the story of the first half has been written. It is half-time now here at Molyneux. And so the second half gets underway. Almost a case of the two teams saying to each other, whatever you can do, I can do just as well. Physically strong and secure on the ball. Possession given away. Caicedo. Madueke. Well, a really good run. Beautiful pass. Wolves have it back. Could be a chance to break here. Defenders need to cover. He'll be delighted to have won the ball, having made that difficult challenge. And into the last 30 minutes now. Gusto. Badiashile. Chelsea move still flowing. Advantage to them. Shalaba. At times they make passing look easy, but then the one that goes astray. Wang Hee-chan. Oh, crucial tackle. Brilliant. Conor Gallagher. Good technique displayed. But the danger averted for now. Pablo Sarabia. And Wolves looking dangerous. Sarabia. And the ball back with Chelsea now. He's in control of the situation. But just like that, possession changes hands. Only 5 minutes left for play, and tension galore with the teams locked together. Mateus Cunha. The move looks promising. A goal here surely will finish it. Keeping possession of the ball with authority. Can they forge ahead? A good and fair challenge. Rather than a free kick, it's advantage Chelsea. There will be 1 minute added on at the end. And with that, the 90 minutes have come to an end, an even contest. And now it is all about the penalty shootout. Job done from the spot. Mental preparation is such a big part of this. Goalkeeper beaten from the spot. Superbly done. How many players would try that? And it's gone in. Can he get the better of the keeper? I think we might just have witnessed the unstoppable penalty. And he scores! Composure is so important under these trying circumstances. And just like that, he's come up with the save! And he's taken the low road. Beautifully done. Well, the responsibility is on his shoulders. Failure to score. And they lose. And there is the big moment in this penalty shootout. The goalkeeper's contribution means they have won it.
Well, that's a top-class save. No wonder he's celebrating. That's a brilliant moment for him.